Hey there guys, what's going on? No, your eyes do not deceive you. This will be my first mini-taj, which means this is all in one game. And no, your eyes do not deceive you yet again. It is 4 minutes long. Yeah, I get 30 kills and 6 deaths, and they're all with snipers with the L96 and my akimbo pistols. So I hope that you like the video, and enjoy. And if you like this video well enough, just subscribe to me, or send me a message, or leave a comment, or give it a like. That'll all help out in the end. I plan to make this video big, and I really like it. It's one of my best games ever on Team Death. So I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you again at the end of this video. See you later, guys. So right here's pretty... Oh, wait, never mind, wrong spot. Ignore that. Yeah, just ignore that.
Our spy plane's in the air.
Here we go. No, never mind. Oh, yes, it is. Okay. Alright. So in just a little bit, there's 2 guys right there. I just killed one. Just killed the other right in a row. I thought that was a pretty good shot. And then here, I knocked this guy in the last stand. Killed that guy with my pistols. And you see him trying to revive his buddy. But he fails. And he dies. I get a double kill. So I'm pretty happy about that. Keep on watching. There's more to come.
Spy plane up, they're blind.
And knock that guy in the last stand, and I impale him with my flashbang. So that's yet another awesome throw. Good shot. And lastly, I do this 180 on this dude. Quick scope him. So yeah. Alright guys, I thank you very much for watching this game. As I said, this was my best game, because here I am, Devistation's at the top, with 30 kills, 6 deaths, and a ratio of 5.0, with snipers and pistols. This has been Devastation, with snipers and pistols, with Devistations. I hope you liked my video, and here's my clothes. Say hello to my puppy dog. His name is Biggie. He's just the cutest. Oh, no. He is the cutest little dog ever. Alright, well anyways, goodbye guys. Thanks for watching.